Want to make over $5,000 a month from a side hustle? You don't need to be a genius or work 80 hours a week. In this video, I'll show you high-paying, in-demand side hustles that are making people serious money right now. Why do so many people struggle with side hustles? It's not because they don't work hard, it's because they choose the wrong gigs. Low-paying work, inconsistent income, and burnout hold most people back. But here's the good news. There are high-income side hustles that can generate serious cash without draining your time. Let's dive into the best options. Freelancing isn't new, but high-ticket freelancing is a game changer. Instead of charging $20 an hour, what if you could charge $200 per hour? Here's how professionals are doing it. Freelancing means offering services like writing, design, or marketing, but high-ticket freelancing focuses on premium clients willing to pay thousands for specialized skills. A freelance copywriter who specializes in writing sales funnels can charge $3,000 per project. Landing just 2 clients a month means $6,000 in earnings. Niche down and focus on high-paying clients. Use platforms like Upwork, TopTal, and LinkedIn to position yourself as an expert. Selling digital products is one of the most scalable side hustles. The best part? You create the product once and sell it repeatedly. Digital products include ebooks, courses, templates, and stock photos. Anything you can sell online without physical inventory. A graphic designer creates social media templates and sells them for $29 each. If 200 people buy, that's $5,800 in passive income. Start by identifying a skill you can teach or a problem you can solve. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable to sell your products. Businesses are desperate to automate tasks and save time. If you can help companies set up automation tools, you can charge thousands per project. Automation consulting involves setting up workflows using tools like Zapier, Make, or AI chatbots to streamline business operations. An automation expert charges $2,500 to set up an AI chatbot for customer support. 2 clients per month equals $5,000 or more. Learn how to use automation tools and offer your services on LinkedIn and Fiverr Pro. If you have a skill, people will pay to learn from you. Coaching and consulting are some of the highest paid side hustles. Online coaching includes fitness, career, business, or mindset coaching. Consulting helps businesses solve specific problems. A career coach charges $500 per session. 10 clients per month equals $5,000. Offer free content to build trust, then upsell paid coaching through social media and platforms like Clarity. Businesses need leads, and if you can generate them, they'll pay big. This is an untapped side hustle that's making people thousands every month. This involves ranking websites or running ads for small businesses to generate leads. A marketer charges a dentist $1,500 per month for lead generation. Just 3 clients equals $4,500. Learn local SEO and Google Ads. Approach businesses with a results-first offer. These side hustles aren't just ideas. They're real opportunities that are making people thousands every month. Let's recap. Freelancing. Sell high-ticket skills like copywriting and consulting. Digital products. Create ebooks, templates, or courses for passive income. Automation consulting. Help businesses streamline processes with AI. Coaching and consulting. Teach what you know and charge premium prices. Local lead generation. Help small businesses get more clients. Which of these side hustles interests you the most? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly financial tips, and share this with someone looking to increase their income. Remember to save, invest, and protect to build wealth for life.